Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope to all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the ideas of Christmas wreath designs are looking so gorgeous and looking so beautiful. You know that Christmas is a blessing and they create happiness everywhere. And this collection is all about home decoration, wreath designs, how to decor your tree, a tree very amazing, and how to decor your table. Candles look so amazing, candles look so fantastic. If you love the video, if you love and like the video, then your first priority to subscribe to my channel. And you know the Christmas is very important festival. Important, it's mean the very everyone wait for this festival because it's create a happiness everywhere. People like this festival, people love this festival. And Christmas is a symbol of happiness. It is a symbol of uniqueness, is a symbol of togetherness. Everyone and your guests feel very happy when you decor your home very beautiful, feel very joy, feel very Christmas is a symbol of belief. Christmas is a symbol of happiness, togetherness. Each and every collection is new, related to the Christmas trees, Christmas wreaths, Christmas candles, how to decor your table, how to decor your wall, how to decor your home inside and outside both. So thank you, keep watching, stay with me, watch the video, like my video and share to my video with your family and friends. In this collection, guys, you see the approximately 100 plus ideas of candles, wreaths, trees about Christmas. Christmas is a symbol of beautiful vibes everywhere. People feel delight, people feel no depression, feel relaxed, and simple collection, not no too much difficult. And my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos is a big opportunity for the beginners to enhance your abilities related to the crafting. If you are lover of crafting and you create more things, then you subscribe to my channel, adopt to my channel, take a screenshot, and Merry Christmas 2023. So keep watching, stay with me with the Easy Craft videos. Take care and bye bye. The video is not stop. Watch the video till the end.